Want your Android wallpaper to move as you swipe between home screens? Here's the easiest way to set a smooth, scrolling wallpaper. First, unlock your phone and go to your home screen so you can see all your app icons and widgets. Now, long press on an empty space on your home screen until the customization menu appears at the bottom. Tap on Wallpapers or Wallpapers and Style, depending on what your phone shows. On this screen, you'll see your current wallpaper and wallpaper categories you can choose from. You can use a live wallpaper or a white static image. Both can scroll, but the option might be in different places. Let's start with a wide photo. Tap on Photos or Gallery, then pick a landscape picture that's wider than your screen. When the preview opens, look for an option like Scrolling Effect, Motion, or Parallax, and make sure it's turned on. Drag the image left and right to frame the area you want to see when you swipe across your home screens. Next, tap Set Wallpaper, then choose Home Screen so the wallpaper scrolls as you move between pages. Go back to your home screen and swipe left and right. You should see the wallpaper slowly sliding with your icons. If your phone doesn't show a scrolling option, install a trusted launcher from the Play Store that supports scrolling wallpapers, and repeat these steps inside that launcher.